Break ID number 5284. 2018 Bowman High Tech Baseball 1-box break. This has combo spots based on hit count, which also means no PC team bonuses. Actually, hold on. Alright guys, well I messed up on the description, so I've got 2017 in the title and 2018 on the picture. So I'm just going to eat it and do both. So there's that list, just a free box for you guys. So we'll do both 17 and 18 Bowman High Tech. Go. And there you go. So, we'll do 17 first. Junior Fernandez auto. To St. Louis. Michael AP. Zach Collins. White Sox, Chris M.E. Mitch Keller. Pittsburgh, Justin R.U. Lucas Fox. To Tampa Bay, Kenneth B.E. And this is 2017, so Cody Bellinger, rookie, parallel to 199. Dodgers, Kenneth B.E. Alright, so there's the bonus box. And 18. First auto, Corbin Burns. Brewers. Sean B.R. Brent Rooker. Minnesota, Kenneth B.E. Colton Welker. Rockies, Justin R.U. And Paven Smith. Arizona, Michael A.P. I like this one. Oh no, this is 18. Rookie gold parallel to 50, Gleyber Torres. Seven of 50. Yankees, Kenneth B.E. All right, there you go, 8 autos.